let's talk about the X-ray findings for pneumonia. So you can see this X-ray. This is not the usual pneumonia X-ray. You can see that there is a consolidation here. And what is this? Very surprising to find, right? You can see that there is no vascular markings here. So this is the air density, right? So this is aggregate, and you can see that this forms the cavity here. Okay, so this is air filled cavity. So what is this? This is pneumatocele. So pneumatocele is nothing but the air filled cavity inside the lung. Now why this is so important to remember? Imagine that there is a pneumonia patient admitted in your ward. The patient is doing well, but suddenly the patient develops respiratory distress. And now you are surprised that how come the patient was doing well? I already checked him. He's good. He was talking with me, and everything was good. How come this sudden respiratory distress? So this occurs because of this pneumatocele. So let me explain you in detail. This pneumatocele is an air-filled cavity. Okay, so when the patient is having pneumonia, plus this pneumatocele, there is a pneumatocele also. The patient, there will be cough in the patient. Okay, pneumonia means there will be cough. So because of this cough, there will be increased pressure inside the lungs, and the wall of this pneumatocele will be ruptured. Okay, and if this get ruptured, then the patient will have pneumothorax, and this will cause the sudden respiratory distress. So you can see that a very normal patient, okay, doing well, suddenly can develop pneumothorax because of this pneumatocele. Okay, so and this can cause respiratory distress and even death if this condition is not diagnosed in time. So from now onwards, okay, you should remember that whenever you are treating any pneumonia patient, you should keep this condition in your mind, okay, because this is very much important, and we should remember this condition, okay, because this is life saving. If you know that in pneumonia patient can have pneumatocele, then it can save your patient. Okay, whenever the patient develops respiratory distress, then you can think that the patient may have developed pneumothorax, because patient can have for this pneumatocele. So it will be helpful for you also and for the patient also. So this is very important condition to remember. So it is a very a typical case you can see. This is not usually seen. This is not that much common, but yeah, you should remember this condition. So yeah, that's all for this video.